Hello friends, welcome to GSSK channel, and this video we are going to see about a product which is very useful for teachers for online teaching, where you can able to solve problems and write something on the screen. So we are going to see about the product called One. It's by a company called Wacom. It's a pen tablet.
Please do subscribe for our channel and click the bell icon and get notified for every new videos.
You can use this product to scribble or write in your screens, and the best online whiteboard app is Google's Jamboard. You can view my video on how to use this Jamboard. I will be giving the link in the description and also in the card above this video. You can also use this in all kind of softwares like Microsoft OneNote, Word, Excel, Sheets. I have also explained how to use that in this video, so kindly watch the video until end. And within the box it's having the tablet itself, and then you will be having a pen which does not contains any battery. It is very handy, so you will be getting some replaceable nibs for this pen, and a USB connector. It's a USB 2.0 connector that can be connected with any laptop or desktop to make it active. So no extra batteries for this product. So once you plug in to the laptop, you can able to use it straight away. It's a automatic install plug and play device. No need to install any separate software for this. So mostly it can be used across all the softwares where we are using, like Microsoft PowerPoint. We can use it straight away with the PowerPoint show. In the left bottom you will be having a pen symbol, so you can click and choose the pen. You can choose any colors and you can able to write in the middle of the screen presenting, and then you can able to use the eraser to erase it off, or any highlighter tool is also available. You can able to use this to hover around the next slide or previous slide, etc. So the thing is, you can able to use it as cursor also, so no need to touch the tablet. If you have if you keep the pen in the distance of half or 1 inch away, you can able to move the cursor around the screen, and if you want to left click it, just click it on the tab, and if you are clicking and dragging, it's like a left click and drag. And if you want to do a right click, there is a switch available in the pen, so that you can able to click, it will be working as a right click. So it is an easy accessory, so people finding very difficult to draw or write using mouse pad in the lap or mouse optical mouse, so that this pen will be very easy for problem solving and drawing something. So now let us see how to use this in any Word document or Excel sheets. So in Microsoft Word and Excel also we can able to write using this pen, but we don't have the option straight away in the Word or Excels. It will be hidden in libraries, so we have to get it, and we have to upload it. If you are using latest versions like 2020, you will be having a ribbon called Draw. So from that you can able to choose the pen. Now these options will not be available in new systems, so I will tell you how to import these options from the library. So go to File and then choose the options. So there you have to choose options like customize ribbon. In some versions it will be liking in the advanced options, so you have to make sure this customize ribbon and menu options. So these are all library commands, so these are all the commands which is visible to you in the menu bar. So here you have to choose all commands, and then you have to search for the pen options. So whatever pen options you need, you have to click and add here. Okay, I have already added, so whatever the pen options you need, you can add and then click OK, so that it will be added in the particular ribbon under the menu. So see here, if you are choosing home option here, and then if you add, so that will be added into home. Otherwise you can able to create new group or even new tab, and then you can add, so that you will be having a separate tab button for this pen itself. So it's your choice. So after choosing this, you have to choose the, and then you can able to draw using this pen, or even if you have mouse, you can use that to draw or highlight whatever in the Word document. So the same procedure for Excel or PowerPoint or any MS Office softwares. So the price of this product is around 3,500. It may be costlier for individual faculty, but for any institute or organization they're running any online classes, it may be this product may be useful for them. Thank you.